Hello, my name is Michelle Ogihara. I am the Senior Sales and Marketing Manager for Seika Machinery, a multinational distributor of leading SMT equipment from Japan. We represent top-tier supplier brands, and Seika offers technical sales support, installation and engineering services for all of our equipment lines, from the offices and demo centers in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Atlanta, and Querétaro, Mexico. Today, we would like to briefly introduce 5 of our popular products that we believe would be of most interest and benefit to our EMS clients. They are, in order of presentation, the McDry dry storage cabinets, the Sawa ultrasonic cleaners, the Seika PCB routers, the Malcolm modular profiling system with camera, and the Unitech PCB cleaner.
McDry is the leading desiccant-based dry cabinet, specifically built conforming to IPC-J standard 033D, MSD storage and handling, IPC 1602 standard, PCB storage and handling, and ESD standard IEC 61340-5-1. McDry has been exclusively sold and supported by Seika Machinery in the North American market for over 25 years. Thousands of cabinets are used in major EMS, automotive, medical, aerospace, and military electronics companies in the US and globally. All McDry dry cabinets maintain an ultra-low humidity level of 1% and contain patented rapid dehumidification drying units utilizing a powerful zeolite desiccant that never requires replacement. As an option, various data logging systems are available that provide traceability and can be networked with the customer server by Wi-Fi or intranet as desired. Also available is an MSD tracking software, enabling the customer to easily keep inventory and follow MSL-level storage and usage rules for conformance to the latest J standard 033 for traceability. Seika Machinery keeps stock of many standard models of McDry cabinets in our California warehouse. We also provide sales, technical support, and repair parts in our U.S. office and demo center locations. Now we move on to introduce our Sawa EcoBrid fully automatic ultrasonic stencil cleaner. The Sawa EcoBrid cleaner utilizes 2 ultrasonic cleaning heads that clean both the front and back sides of the stencil. Direct ultrasonic energy is applied to the stencil after spraying solvent. The vacuum suction nozzles collect the solder residue and solvent, which moves through a double filtration. The solvent is recycled in the closed-loop system. The simultaneous ultrasonic cleaning and vacuum drying system saves energy and provides a quick cycle of 6 minutes in total. The Sawa EcoBrid has low running costs, using little solvent and energy due to recycling and fast tact time. Delamination of the adhesive from mask to frame will not occur as it would with traditional tank-style cleaning. The ergonomic insertion of the stencil and automatic touch panel programming ensures easy and safe operation. Using Sawa Direct Contact ultrasonic technology, stencil fine pitch apertures are left clean with no residual solder balls or residue. Other popular Sawa products include the economical, portable, manual cleaners, nozzle cleaners, wiper roll cleaner, and squeegee or small parts tank cleaner. Our next product is the line of Seika PCB routers. Seika is the exclusive distributor for Seika routers, and we keep stock of popular models here in the US. The PCB router lineup consists of economical tabletop models, standalone, twin table, and inline routers. PCB routers provide the lowest stress depanelization, as shown in this comparison with other popular methods. Handbraking causes even more stress and potential damage to the board. Seika routers provide an online camera that will recognize fiducial marks on the PCB for automatic alignment adjustment of each panel. For the easy Windows GUI software programming, the camera scans the entire board, and with a point and click of the mouse, the cutting lines can be drawn online. As with any computer-based software, copy and paste features make programming quick and simple. Because it's a drawing program, arcs, circles, and odd-shaped PCBs are not a problem. Programming for one board design can be done within 15 minutes, and offline PCB edit software is also available. A data summary after each product run is created, providing traceability, and QR code recognition for each PCB is also available. Fast cutting speed of 50 millimeters per second, along with 800 millimeters per second travel speed, provide a quick takt time for depaneling. For strong vacuum and clean debris removal, a full-sized dust collector is offered with every router. Solid, robust mechanism and frame of Seika routers require little maintenance or calibration. Automatic 5-stage bit depth control utilizes full length of router bit and saves costs. Now let us introduce you to some of Seika's process control equipment. Malcolm is an industry standard, most well known for their line of viscometers and solder paste mixers. But today, Seika is featuring Malcolm's line of reflow oven profiling tools. Have you ever wanted to see what's happening during your reflow process? Malcolm has developed a modular reflow profiler that will allow you to measure not only oven temperatures, but also oxygen density levels, reflow air speeds, conveyor vibration, and possibly the most interesting feature, a video feed from your PCB. The small camera and light source can be placed directly on your PCB or on a trailing fixture to record the reflow process. This is a great tool for troubleshooting and evaluating your PCBs and reflow process. Here in this video, it's possible to see the point at which the solder is melting. The system is also measuring the temperature data, which later can correlate the video image to the temperatures using the Malcolm software. This enables the operator to track and analyze the time, location, and temperature at which they're watching things happen. Unitech makes a bare PCB surface cleaning system to prepare boards for screen printing. They use a combination of nylon brushes with vacuum, rubber contact rollers, and ionized air blowers. This is a great way of ensuring that PCBs are free of dust, hair, substrate shavings, and other contaminants.
Thank you very much for taking the time to view this video. Seika has a vast sales network with local representation to support our customers. Please contact us at any time to further assist you. Thank you.